Hello children, we are starting with practice set 45. Question 1. If the side of square is 12 cm, find its area. Area of square is side square equals to 12 square equals to 144 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the square is 144 square centimeter. Next question. If the length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, find its area. Solution. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So 15 into 5 equals to 75 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 75 square centimeter. Question 3. The area of rectangle is 102 square centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its perimeter? For this, you have to apply the area of rectangle formula and calculate the breadth. So, area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is given 102 equals to length is given 17 into breadth. Therefore, breadth equals to 102 upon 17. When we simplify this, equals to 6 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle, you know, twice length plus breadth. So 2 in bracket 17 plus 6 equals to 2 into 23 equals to 46 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangle is 46 centimeter. Next, question 4. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? So let the side of the square be A. Therefore, the area of the square equals to side square equals to A square. New side of the square equals to 3A. Therefore, area of the square will be 3A in bracket whole square equals to 9A square. And what is A square here? What is A square here? A square is the area of original square. So, this equals to 9 into area of original square. Therefore, if the side of the square is tripled, its area will become 9 times the area of the original square. Very easy problems. In the next video, we are going to see next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.